You're now watching the So West Coast Variety Show featuring So West Coast family. Tyler can't even get in the door yet. It's his first day from school. He's struggling. You know what I mean? We're gonna maybe help him out here. We're gonna go over here and see what we can do.
Having a little trouble there?
This motherfucker gave me a defective motherfucking key.
Is that what it is?
Swear to God. Put the piece of shit in there. It don't want
Defective key.
piece of shit.
Oh man. Don't get your defective key, man, you know. SoWestCoast.com, man. Check out So West Coast family. We got we're gonna keep giving it to you, man, you know. Get your NFL tickets. You know, we're gonna have them.